Hi, I'm Sharon. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series where I'll lead you step by step through each of the ABRSM theory grades. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets which you can download in US letter or A4, and they accompany each step of this series. You'll find a page there with links to all of my YouTube video tutorials, and you can also find out about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory Exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to best be prepared for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time come exam day. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find it's all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really super, and please do subscribe to my channel and do share out the videos. And now we're going to complete the final questions in the Grade 4 2019 Practice Paper C. So if you turn with me to page 21 in the booklet, we can work through those together. So do have a crack at these first of all on your own. It doesn't matter if you go wrong, you'll learn by your mistakes. Always work in pencil and then you can just have another go. And so we'll look at this together now. And I know I always say this, but I really love these final questions based on harmonies and chords. It's like a downhill roll home, easy finish as it were. Once you get your thinking done, all the work's done. Just map out what you need to be looking for and it's plain sailing from there on. So we're helpfully told that we're in A flat major. So we're looking for chords 1, 4 and 5 in that key. So the tonic 1 of course is based on the tonic note A flat, but I won't bother with the flats because your key signature does all of that work for you. So if 1 is A, 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4 is D flat of course, but we don't need to worry about that, and 5 is the next one, E. Building up our first, third and fifth, 1, 3, 5, A, C, E, D, F, A, E, G, B, and we could double check we've not gone wrong because the 1, 3, 5, the fifth, gives us the root note of chord 5, so we can see we've not gone wrong. And so now we just have to see which chord is being shown here. So we have an E, don't forget we're in treble and bass, E, G, E, B, that is chord 5. D, A, F, D, that is chord 4, and then, oh wrong one, A, E, C is chord 1. There we go. And it's the same process in this next section. We've just got a little bit more work to do. We're asked to write key signatures and then actually write the triad out as named below. However, if you've written your circle of fifths out before you start any of this, you've done most of the thinking, and I do recommend you get used to doing that quickly. If you're not sure how to go about that, do have a look at my video explaining the circle of fifths. You'll find the link in the cards and the description, and so you'll have done all your thinking there. So B minor, we know, is related to D major, which has a key signature of F sharps and C sharps. So let's do that in the treble clef. So in B minor, chord 1, of course, is starting on B, but we want chord 5. So B, C, D, E, F, that's the fifth note. And then building up our triad, first, third, fifth, F, A, C, first, third, fifth. However, there's one more thing you need to remember in a minor key. We have to have the raised seventh, and that always falls in the middle of chord 5. If we're in B minor, the 7th degree of the scale is A, and that must be raised. So we just need to make sure we always remember that in a minor key. And so we are now building this chord, F, A, C. The key signature deals with everything except from our raised 7th, which is always an accidental. So there we go. So now E flat major, which if you've got your key signatures revised or you've done your circle of fifth, we know has got 3 flats, B, E, A flat. In the bass clef this time, B, E, A flat. and we've got to write the tonic, so we've only got to start with chord 1 and we're there. So E, G, B, first, third, fifth. Of course it's got flats, but your key signature will deal with that, and we just need to write E, G, B. Now then, we're in a minor key here. C sharp minor is related to E major, which has a key signature of 4 sharps, F, C, G, D sharp. Just be careful to place these correctly in the alto clef. So C, D, E, F, C, G, D. So in C sharp minor, chord 1 is of course built on the C sharp. I won't bother with the accidental because the key signature deals with that. So chord 4, C, D, E, F, and then build up your triad F, A, C. As long as you've got your first note here though, you know where you're starting. C, B, A, G, F, A, C, and there's our final note of the triad on the middle C line. And so that's soon sorted. So that's the end of that question, and that's the end of that paper. I do hope that's helpful to you. If you can give me a like, that would be really super, and please do subscribe to my channel to keep updated. Please also do share out the videos. I hope that that's been helpful to you. These past revision exercises through the past exam papers are a great way of getting to grips and preparing for your exam. I hope you're enjoying it. I've certainly enjoyed working through it with you. Please do visit sharonbill.com and make use of all of the resource and information that's available to help you there. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.